are very glad that we have come to Merthyr. We already employ over 500 people in this factory. They're doing a good job.
These high-button boots of grandmother's were all right in her day, but they're too old-fashioned for today's smart modern woman. She wants the newest, the latest, the smartest. That's what she wants in a cleaner, too. The newest, the latest, the smart new Hoover Constellation. It makes other cleaners look as old-fashioned as grandmother's high-button boots. See how efficiently it cleans, too. With its double-stretch hose, the Hoover Constellation reaches twice the distance to clean twice the space and follows wherever you go, floating on its own cushion of air. And look at the cleaning tools, all designed to do your household chores with modern-day efficiency. Every woman with young ideas wants the exciting new Hoover Constellation.
This is a lady, name of Mrs. Smith. Here she is, longing for a machine to do all her laundry. But just look at her tiny kitchen. How can she get a large capacity machine in there? Oh, this is no good. And this one's even worse. There you are.
Hoover-matic. Just the right size.
No wonder. It was designed for your kitchen. And the compact Hoover-matic gets each load washed, rinsed and damp-dried in just 8 minutes. You'll be as happy as Mrs. Smith when you too get a Hoover-matic.
The dirt searcher. This powerful headlight makes the new Hoover Junior relentless. When it goes searching for dirt, it finds it. Under chairs, under beds, in dark corners. Its famous action beats as it sweeps, as it cleans. Hunts out dust, fluff and damaging grit. Makes your carpets deep down clean. The new Hoover Junior is relentless. That's why we call it the Dirt Searcher. The new Hoover Junior.
Introducing the Hoover 4 Plus. 4 high-speed rings, plus this extra one for small saucepans. And an easy-to-clean oven, of course. The Hoover 4 Plus is really good news. But here's the best news of all. Save £4. Yes, £4 by ordering your Hoover 4 Plus from your electricity showroom now. It's made for happy ever after cooks. The Hoover 4 Plus.
The new Hoover Alpina, the power of silence.